Hello students. Today we will start exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation class 10. Okay, we have already completed 4.1. Before starting, I really thanks to all my students for your great support. And one more thing, while doing maths with me, be with your textbook. Okay, so it will help you to do fast and in a competitive way. Clear? Now, exercise 4.2. Read the first question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. What is the equation? X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. So what they have asked you to do? By factorization, you have to find the roots. What is meant by factorization? Factorization means you have to split the middle term. Here what is the middle term? Minus 3x. So when you multiply two numbers, you have to get 1 times minus x as minus 10. The same number when you add, you have to get the middle number minus 3x. Got it? Clear? Two number when you multiply, you have to multiply 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. The same number when you add, you have to take the middle number. What are the two numbers? Yes, 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, I am writing 5 times 2 as 10. And 5 plus 2, you have to make it as 3. How can you make it as minus 3? Take the greater number minus, the other number as plus. Finished. So you have to get minus 3x. Yes, minus 5x and plus 2x is minus 3. Clear? Now you will write this one as x square. In place of minus 3x, you will write minus 5x and plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Clear? You can see clearly. Now put brackets in two numbers. Okay, so in this we can take the common outside. What is the common outside? X is the common. So x minus 5 is remaining here. And what is common here? Plus 2 is common. Again x minus 10 divided by plus 2 is minus 5 equals to 0. Clear now? Now we are having two terms, these two terms. In this two term, what is common? X minus 5 is common and the remaining is x plus 2 equals to 0. This is the two factors. Now factors should be made to roots. X minus 5 equals to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0. So x will be what? Positive 5. X will be here will be negative 2. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10. Clear? Let's go to second question. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Read the question. Question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Is it not? 2x square. Same. Now we have to split the middle number. So first 2 times minus 6. Got it? 2 times minus 6 is what? Minus 12. The same number when you add, you have to get 1. That is 1x. What are the two numbers? Yes, the two numbers is 4 3s are 12 and we have to make 4 and 3 as 1. This is positive, so we will take greater number as positive, the other number as negative. Now how will you write? In place of positive x, you have to write positive 4x and minus 3x. Got it? It's clear here. Now I am writing this number in the middle term. The numbers will be x to x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Got it? Now put two brackets here. Now take the common factor outside. What is a common number here outside? What is it? 2 will be common here and x square x will be common. The remaining is 1x and plus 2. Now here we have to get x plus 2. Got it? Here we have to get x plus 2. Be clear of that. So I will take minus outside and 3. So if I take minus 3 outside, x minus 6 divided by minus 3 is that what? Positive 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now this is one term, this is the other term. Take the common from here. X plus 2 is common and 2x minus 3 is common, equals to 0. Now take the roots. It's very easy now. X plus 2 will be 0 and 2x minus 3 will be 0. What is x here? X is equal to minus 2. Correct. And 2x will be equal to 3. We want x. So x will be equal to 3 by 2. Done? Easy for you? Now come to the third question. What is the third question? Write the question fast. Oh, it's root. No problem. Third question. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Don't get scared of roots. Okay. We have studied in class 8. Root 2 times root 2 is what? Open 2. Or root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. That should be clear. Because an identity you have been taught in class 8, in class 8 I think. So root a into root a is a. Now we have to split the middle number, this one. When you multiply this 2 number, root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. So 5 times 2 is what? 10. Add to positive 10. The same number when you add, you have to get the middle number 7x. Clear? Clear up till here? Now, what will be the number? We know 5 times 2 is 10. And we know 5 plus 2 is 7. It's easy up till here. It's very easy. Now, in place of 7x, we will write 5x plus 2x. Is it not? Okay. Which implies root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. And we are putting a bracket like this. Now, what is the common number here? Here root 2 is not common. X is the only number common. Take x outside. Remaining will be root 2 and 1x and plus 5. Here you have to split 2 as root 2 times root 2. So here is also 1 root 2. There are 2 root 2. Take 1 root 2 outside. And what will be left over? 1 root 2 and x plus 5 equals to 0. Got it? This term equals to this term. Now this will be the common number. Root 2x plus 5 I have taken outside and x plus root 2 as the other factor. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x. Root 2x is equal to negative 5 and x will be equal to negative 5 over root 2. Clear? Say x will be equal to negative root 2. So these are the two roots. Clear? Now question number 4. Read the question number 4 fast. What is question number 4? 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. Don't get tensed with my 1 by 8, the factor. I will teach you in very easy method. If the numerator and denominator is there, we have to just eliminate the denominator. How will you eliminate the denominator? I will show you. The question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Is it not? Plus 1 by 8. So, to remove this 8, simply multiply by the LCM 8 all the side. Got it? Now the new equation you will get, 8 times 2 is what? 8 2s are 16, x square. Yes. 8 times x is what? Minus 8x. This 8 and this 8 cancel off, become 1. Okay, it's very easy now. Same method, same trick. Multiply and same number with the sign. You have to get 16 times 1 as 16 and the middle as 8x. What? 8 plus 8x. How will you get 4 plus 4? 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Write 4 times 4 16 and 4x plus 4x as 8. But one thing is there. What is that? This is minus 8. So to get minus 8, what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to put minus 4x and minus 4x as minus 8, minus 4 and minus 4 as 16. Got it? Now it's clear. So you will get the answer as 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Put the bracket. Got it? Now what is the common number? Yes, 4 and x is the common number. Remaining is 4 minus 1. And here you have to get 4x minus 1. No need to tens. Take out minus 1 outside. All will change the sign and you got the answer. Here this is common to this one. So you will get 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. This is called equal roots, is it not? So 4x will be equal to 1. Here also 4x equal to 1. So what is x? X will be 1 by 4. X will be 1 by 4. So these are the two roots of this equation. Got it? Now, the last number. Question number 5. You understood? What is question number 5? 100 square. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Children, split it into two parts. In that two part, you have to get 100 and the middle number as minus 20x. You will get this one. How will you get? Yes, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 plus 10 is 20. But you have to get minus 20. No problem. Put minus sign. Got it? Now you can split it into two parts. This 20. Which implies 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. Put a bracket. What is a common number? Yes, 10x. And remaining will be 10x minus 1 and take minus 1 as usual. Then 10x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is common, which implies 10x minus 1 and leftover number is 10x minus 1 equals to 0. Here also 10x will be equal to 1. Here also 10x will be equal to 1. So what will be the root? X is equal to 1 by 10. X will be equal to 1 by 10. Got it? These are the roots of the equations. Clear? Now, one thing what you have to understand here, splitting the middle term, see the sign and then complete it. Okay? Now, thank you dear. Next class, I will teach you question number 2. Okay?